We made a seafood boil. Had some sausage, some corn, some clams. There's like 2 pounds of clams. That's the butter that we're sauce making. There's the corn and potatoes, eggs, some rice, 4 pounds of crab, snow crab. I don't know how we do. And then 2 pounds of jumbo shrimps. That was a little seasoning we were making. Here's a little bit further along in the process. How to de-thaw the seafood. There's our vegetables getting cooked up. Now the clams are getting cooked up. Putting that sauce together. Little cameo. There's the eggs, potatoes, corn, sausage all cooked. There's our seasoning, our sauce. Our sauce is some shrimps, the clams all cooked, the rice done, crab cooking. A little drinky drink action. And then there's the feast, baby. You already know how we do, baby. That was delicious. Ate off it for 3 days.